Hi, my name is Belle Morales. I'm the president of the Sliding Door Company. I am based in Manila in Los Angeles, California.
Tell us about the Sliding Door Company and the products that you are offering.
Yeah, so the Sliding Door Company, it's a 13-year-old company from the USA, and we opened office here in Manila 2 years ago to establish a presence in Southeast Asia. Basically, we do interior glass door solutions, and we're the only product in the Philippines that has a patent on the mechanism. We're LEED certified, which is Verde in the Philippines, and also we're ADA compliant, which is here it's PWD, person with or people with disability.
How do you find the market here in the Philippines with your product?
It's a good timing that we open here in Asia because there's a construction boom. For the next 10 years, we're all set. We're very lucky to secure quite sizable clients like Okada Manila. We did One Penn Place, the HE Properties, and so forth and so on.
Okay. So for the second question is, who are the target market of the Sliding Door Company?
Yeah, we are going after the developers, architects, interior designers. We can do commercial projects, offices, hospitals, homes, you name it, because the applications are vast. You can use it in so many applications within the space. That's why we're all interiors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then, what are your business plan for this year? Are you planning to expand or introduce new products?
Yeah, we want to establish our presence in Manila first this year. We just launched a new product. It's a bifold. And we're planning to maybe have a presence somewhere in BGC around this year or early next year.
What's your new product?
It's a bifold system.
What do they do?
Okay, basically you can use it for any storage space or for homes, like if you have a washer dryer, or even in offices. If you have any space and you want to maximize the space to close that opening, you can use a bifold system.